Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Magic of One Click. So today we are going to type 134th program of HTML. So let's get started. We have to first open the notepad. So we'll open it and now we'll type the program. The new thing in this program is how to use text shadow property. We'll start with doc type HTML tag, head tag, style type equals to text slash CSS. Now H1 tag, text shadow 2 pixel, 2 pixel, 5 pixel red. Now we'll add style tag, head tag, body tag, H1 tag, text shadow, effect, and now we'll add H1 tag, body tag, and similarly the HTML tag. So now we'll just save it as 134 with the extension .html and in all files. So now let us check the output. HTML folder and 134th program. So this is a basic output of how to use text shadow property, and don't forget to check the text in description for the clear and basic understanding. Please like, share and subscribe the channel for the amazing HTML videos.